long way. I'm supposed to be ready to go. I told you to go out to. Have a good day. Nigga, you wanna come in, nigga? As soon as you want, let's go. Niggas on the pop. You're supposed to be scared, nigga. Your motherfucking chain on nigga. You want to do something, nigga? Okay, let's go. Hey, bro. You finna do me about. What the heck?
At this point, he realized he fucked up.
Push your shit back, nigga. Push up. I'm gonna leave my shit. We're gonna shoot you more. Push your shit back, nigga. Push your shit back, nigga.
This is horrible.
Hey, y'all
I'm gonna piss your pussy. You gonna put the wrong nigga. I catch my license, pussy ass nigga. About my motherfucker. Pussy whoop your pussy ass in here, nigga. About my head, nigga. You pulling up about my shit, nigga. You lucky you don't want to kiss a lot of sinners again, nigga. Sit your pussy ass down. Sit your pussy.
It's kids in here, man.
You lucky.
Hey.
You lucky they got some straight.
It's kids in here, bro.
I'll kill your pussy ass. What, nigga? I'll kill your pussy ass,
It's
nigga.
kids in here, man.
Nigga, I didn't even think, nigga, I'd come in here and kill your bitch ass. I didn't even think somebody come kill your bitch ass. You lucky I don't want to go back to prison, nigga. You lucky I don't want to go back to prison, nigga. You lucky as fuck.